Let's beat the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to match number 10, still in the lower bracket, so whoever loses will drop out of our playoff bracket here on the Croft division. Artifacts flying up on both sides of the field. Techineers loading up from the gate for this Blue Alliance. Now flying around, gate open back again, intaking more. 14906 Leviathan Robotics loaded, shooting from afar for the Blue Alliance. 17962 Row 2 D2 on red, gate managing as well. Starlight back to the loading zone, but no more artifacts left there for them as autonomous expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance 5 takes the lead 78 to 65. Now continuing to scores continuing to climb as these alliances keep on working. 24-909 Starlight intaking from the loading zone. Now they're back to the near launch zone. 2 for 3 going up. Looks like all 4 Alliance machines here in this match opting to use the close launch zone, creating lots of traffic work to keep everyone scoring quickly. Blue Alliance number 5 retains the lead, 128 to 83 with 1:30 left in match play. Leviathan Robotics playing from the blue secret tunnel and loading zone. They've got their artifacts on board, coming back in row 2 D2, trying to get shots off, but not able to get around the scoring of the Blue Alliance. 24-909 Starlight flying around, taking some artifacts from the far field, clearing out that Red Alliance gate. They're loaded up, coming back to the close launch zone, setting in artifacts, but not able to keep up with the Blue Alliance so far. 187 to 125 is that 5th Alliance lead, as these times keep on ticking down below 60 seconds. Row 2 D2 seemingly pivoting to defense against Techineers, trying to slow it down, this Blue Alliance, but Techineers able to clear out the Blue Alliance classifier and release some artifacts as well. 40 seconds to go. Blue Alliance with an 85-point lead, 229 to 137. 35 seconds left to go as these teams keep on flying in. Teams still playing that near field, trying to work around each other, doing a pretty good job shooting through. Their turret's code is robust. Row 2 D2 on the defense, keeping Leviathans out of that launch zone, holding back their scoring. But with Blue holding about a 110-point lead, it will be tough to come back. 13 seconds left to go. These alliances still flying on for artifacts. Techineers trying to clear the Blue Alliance gate. One last shot for Leviathans. Parks coming in with 4 seconds left as our final buzzer sound.
Winner is Blue Alliance with a score of 324 to 180. Unfortunately, Alliance number 3 is eliminated. Congrats, guys. Pedro Casilin por aí,